Hello, this is Richard, and I wanted to welcome you to Easy Cash Code. So, if you're watching this video, that means that you probably joined my team or one of our teams on Easy Cash Code, and you're ready to get started. So, let's get started. What you're looking at right now on this screen is you're going to see something, of course, exactly the same or something similar, except it'll be your login information. And this is actually your login page. And when you actually sign up for Easy Cash Code, your login credentials are going to get sent to you immediately. And once you log in, it's going to take you to which is called the dashboard. Now, the dashboard is where you actually learn everything that you need to do and contains all the steps, first and foremost, that you need to get up and running and different programs that you can become a part of, and also it includes you to who your sponsor is and also their opportunity, which I'm going to show you as well. And so you're going to have access to all of the settings in here and subscriptions, all these tools that you see on here, you're going to have access to as soon as you log in. But the first thing that you need to do as soon as you log into Easy Cash Code is you need to go through the Getting Started steps. And that means you need to click on the first one. And for each stage of the Getting Started is a section that is going to educate you that you must mark as complete, because all the other sections are going to be locked and you're not going to be able to move forward. And here's the reason why you want to do that. A lot of times people will get on here and they won't go through the training, and then you're going to end up having a lot of questions. And that's a big problem, because first and foremost it slows you down, and that's income that you're potentially losing if you're not going through the steps and getting up and running and doing exactly what you need to do. So that's what you want to do. You want to start out with the quick start. You want to watch this quick start video in its entirety. In fact, everything in here you want to make sure you watch in its entirety. Okay? And after you get done, and this is basically a video of Reginald Stinson, who is the founder of Easy Cash Code and the Unit of Prosperity system. And he's going to get into and tell you exactly what you need to do. And so I strongly recommend that you watch all the videos in their entirety before you do anything else, before you try to market or anything like that, because you'll get lost and confused. And the whole purpose of this is to get you up and running quickly. Okay? So you mark that as complete. And as you go through each stage, this is going to be the section that talks to you about activating your reseller license. And so what that basically means is, in order for you to be able to capitalize on everything that's included within the Easy Cash Code system and all the income streams, you're going to need to be activated as you're going to need to have a reseller license, and a reseller license is one time of $47. And once you do that, that means that it will open you up to every single income stream that is contained within the Easy Cash Code back office system, which I'm going to go over shortly. So once you are done watching Master the Reseller Rights, make sure, again, every video, if you get busy or your children come in or something comes up that distracts you, you just go ahead and pause the video, go take care of what you need to take care of, and then come back and start it back all over again. And let's say, for example, if something comes up and you can't even do it, just log out, come back in, and then just go back and start all over again. That's the best way to do it. And this was where he gets into the reseller rights. So just remember, that's really, really important step. The next step that you're going to want to do is...
Hello, this is Reginald Stinson.
You're just going to want to watch the videos on the different compensation plan programs that you can become a part of. It's pretty straightforward. There's nothing, that I can really get into too much detail about right now at this point. Okay? So you're going to mark that one as complete as well. All right. Now, this is one of the income streams. This is called SMS Pro. SMS Pro is a mobile, as you can see, a mobile and voice broadcasting software platform. And this is cool because what this allows you to do is it allows you to be able to market your business via SMS marketing. Now, I mean non-spamming. You're not going to spam people. This is using a solid system to be able to market your business, and it's building a list through text message marketing right from your smartphone. A lot of people do it, and it works. It's quite effective, and it all ties to your system, and basically any program that you have. So basically, he's going to get into the video.
All right, you've made it.
And you're gonna want to watch this video in its entirety as well. If you're not a part of it, you want to go ahead and subscribe to it. Now, here's the thing. If you try to subscribe to any of these tools that you want to resell and you have not become a reseller, it is going to include the reseller amount in the shopping cart in addition to subscribe now. So just keep that in mind. You won't even be able to do it unless you have the reseller license, which is a one-time fee. And this is also a one-time payment. Now, the cool thing about this is once you get the reseller license and once you pay for this and you start utilizing it, it opens you up to not only $18 commissions from Easy Cash Code, but any of the products that you actually own within here, and I'm going to go into another one in a minute, you will make the 100% commissions off of all of these as well, only if you own them. So just keep that in mind. And it covers that in the video as well too. So when we move on to the next step, now this is called the I Am Phenom, and I just opened up my I Am Phenom page. Let me go ahead and pause this video. So basically what the I Am Phenom is it's a web marketing system. You may have even seen it. It's probably on one of the pages that you came through of one of mine. It's the best way to put it is it's similar to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, you know, for those of you, you can go out there and Google it if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a capture page creation system. It's a marketing system and so forth that actually helps you to be able to build your own capture pages so that you can, because in order to be successful in business, you need to have your own capture pages to brand yourself. I mean, using company pages is not going to get you very far. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Using company pages is not going to get you far. You can't build a list. You can't brand or market yourself. So that's where I Am Phenom comes in. Now, I Am Phenom is a marketing system which is like a ClickFunnels, but the big difference is for those that can afford ClickFunnels at $97 a month, $197 a month, or something like that, with I Am Phenom, right now it's only a one-time cost of $97. And that'll allow you, it opens you up to be able to create a lot of different capture pages and templates and tie them to your autoresponder. It's pretty slick, actually, and I actually have the system as well, and I highly recommend that you get it if you want to really brand and market yourself. And it's really easy to set up. The video actually goes into details, and I've actually created a video on YouTube as well that actually walks you through creating your first capture page, which you'll probably see when you actually look at the videos on my channel. So then you want to click Next. So keep in mind too, with I Am Phenom, if anyone else purchases that you've brought into Easy Cash Code, and they actually upgrade and get that as well, 100% of the commissions is going to go to you, and that is $97, which is what you see right now. This is another system. It's called Email Then Profit System. I won't go into a whole lot of detail about it. The video explains it. And if you want to get started, you just go ahead and click Start It, and then the person that actually has it set up that sponsored you is actually you're going to go straight to their site. And that's pretty much how it works. So then you want to click Next, and this is now setting up your autoresponder. One of the newest programs that was actually added to Easy Cash Code is it's a new program that's coming out by a company that's been in the business for almost 20 years. Joel Therian. It's called the Now Lifestyle System, and this is an autoresponder system basically that allows you to be able to build your list. You can have an autoresponder that has up to 10,000 subscribers. This company has been in the business for 20 years, almost 20 years practically, and they have a reputable. They're a multi-million-dollar company, and you can actually utilize the system. You can make commissions off of the system. And so forth, and it's a great system. And so what you want to do is just watch the video about it. Now this is if you already came in, and let's just say you have Now Lifestyle, you get a chance to share the code of the Now Lifestyle system. Okay, so you want to mark that as complete, and the video goes into more detail about it.
Hello.
And this is the compensation plan for Now Lifestyle. This goes into more detail about the whole compensation plan, how it works, and all the good stuff. And if you want to know more about it, the person that actually sent you to this video, or if you're coming through my site, all you have to do is and you're on Easy Cash Code, you just click on the link, which I'm going to show you, and it'll take you to my page. Okay? Mark that as complete. And this goes into a little bit more detail of the Now Lifestyle Binary Compensation Plan. So you want to make sure you watch that, because that explains the entire compensation plan and how you get paid with Now Lifestyle. So I'm going to mark that as complete.
Hello.
Another program is you get $20 unlimited payments, or unlimited for free. And there's a video that explains that and how to get plugged into it. So, pardon me. So then, here's another more in-depth video that was actually created by one of our other leaders, Yvonne, and she goes into detail about the fast track training. I highly recommend that you watch this one as well too, because this fast track training is going to explain a lot more in detail about everything that you need to access within the back office of Easy Cash Code. So you want to mark that as complete. And this is a really good video that is the ECC Program Explained. So you may have come into ECC and you may have seen some videos here and there about what it is, and you really want to know more about what you've gotten yourself into. So what you want to do is you want to watch this particular video here, which is actually going to explain ECC in detail. Okay? It's very, very important that you watch these videos. And by the time you get done with these videos, it's like going through ECC University. You're going to be a pro. So you mark that as complete, and once you mark it as complete and all of them are done, it's going to take you back to the dashboard. So what you're going to see here is at the top, you're going to see your coach business. So if you came in through my site, you're actually going to see my business at the top, and it actually will take you to another page. And that page is actually going to tell you, like on my site, it'll take you to my primary company. If you came in through someone else, it's going to take you to their primary company and their additional income stream. Okay? And then you have your training. So the training is really, really important. I'm going to actually just spend a little bit of time on that because I really want you to see what you need to focus and plug into as soon as you get signed up in Easy Cash Code. You want to focus on all the setup tutorials. Just go through, take some time, and watch them all one by one, okay? And then you want to learn how to market. If you don't know how to market, there's some great videos in here that teach you how to market this business. It's really, really simple. It gets into Facebook marketing, Craigslist marketing. You can even market on YouTube and all these different ones, okay? So it's really, really, really good. It gets into all that. So by now, you've actually signed up for ECC and you've got a really good understanding on how to market or how to get started. So I encourage you to reach out to the person that sent you to this video to get any additional questions that were not answered in this video or that are not answered on the site of Easy Cash Code. And if you have any issues within Easy Cash Code, the first thing you need to do is you need to send an email to support. And you need to contact support, and support will actually, if there's a problem, there's a bug, or you're having some kind of a challenge, or something's not working, or you have just a question in general, you can always just reach out to support. Another key thing too is you're going to be plugged into the Facebook group, or if you're not, you need to go ahead and request to be added to the Facebook group. And my Facebook account, I'm sorry, I just changed my password, so let me just go ahead and type in a new one and show you what the Facebook group looks like. There we go. So you're going to want to get plugged into the ECC mastermind group on Facebook. And if you signed up with the person, they should have sent you this information, but you certainly want to go ahead and request to be added. Once you're added, then you want to reach out to the crowd and just let them know that you get started. And 9 times out of 10, the individual that actually, and this is typically what we do, is we welcome you to the group. If you're on Facebook and we're connected on Facebook, which we encourage you to connect with us on Facebook, we'll go ahead and add you to the Facebook group. So thanks for watching the video, and again, welcome to Easy Cash Code. Have a fabulous day.